Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I do children's picture books, and it's day 20 of the 30-day drawing challenge. We're in the home stretch now. You know, and what am I going to do today? I think I'm going to sketch little Dominic again. As you know, Dominic is the protagonist of Dominic and Claire. That's a spin-off of Sunnyville Stories. Still, I think I'm going to do something a little different today. What I'm going to do here is see about giving him a slightly different... I'm going to give him a different wardrobe. I've been thinking of experimenting with a new design. I like how I work there, making a skeleton of the character. Sketch this wisecracking kitten in. Alright, I was thinking of maybe trying some different outfits. I was thinking of actually giving him perhaps a shirt and tie. You know, I heard that he may want to do this because he wants to impress Claire. Yeah, every lady's crazy about a sharp-dressed man. Alright, let's just tighten that up here. I've also been thinking of maybe adding in some suspenders. I might do that in a future drawing. Of course, no matter what he wears, he'll always be a very funny cat, making everyone laugh, especially if it's Claire. Add in his black-tipped tail. And there we go. A possible different costume for Dominic. And that does it for this day of the drawing challenge. We're nearing the end. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to my channel. Until next time, it's me, your old pal Max West, saying goodbye.